Hello friends, welcome to our channel Bongfood Payesh. Today we are going to prepare Nolen Gurer Payesh. Here I have taken 1 liter milk, cardamom, 100 grams Gobindo Bhog Rice, ghee, cashew nuts, raisins, 300 grams Patali gur. First, we will clean the rice and soak it. Now, we first marinate our rice with ghee. Friends, this step is complete. Now move on to next step. Add milk, cardamom, add marinated rice, pinch of salt, stir it continuously in medium to low flame. Add cashew nuts, raisins, when rice is fully boiled, after that you can add gur. Friends, our payesh or poromano is ready to serve. Friends, very happy new year to all of you. Please stay safe and stay happy, and also stay with our channel.